Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Steeler XLM. What's the current price of Steeler XLM? What's the price changes occurring in Steeler XLM? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Because my friends, ABS Tech channel will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news. So that is why I request everyone to please subscribe now, friends. Let's move on and let's see the price changes, the latest update of the Steeler XLM, friends. So my friends, if we look the currently latest price of the Steeler XLM in the market, so you can see here 0.422548 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XLM in the market, friends. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurring in the Steeler XLM, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is going wrong, friends. And after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day pricing is going positive. Last 1 day pricing is again negative, friends. So my friends, that's mean that the Steeler XLM start moving upward from the yesterday, friends. From the yesterday, the pumping time, the jumping time of the XLM starts now. But unfortunately, now in this time, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, friends. And a lot of people also ask me this question that on the price of the Steeler XLM are fast down. So what should we do? Is it the best time to buy, sell, or hold Steeler XLM? Let me show you, friends, the price chart. What's going on, my friends? You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Steeler XLM, and as I told you, my friends, in my previous videos that this jump will be the huge pump of the Steeler XLM. So now they continue as move like that and they start moving upward, but unfortunately now this time they fast down for a little time. For a 1 hour pricing is negative, as I show you, friends. So that's not mean that you decide to sell, friends. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time, but that's not mean that you decide to sell. And remember, never sell any cryptocurrencies in the mid of month, friends. As we know, today is 25 April. Wait for the end of 29-30 April, May. You can easily sell your Steeler XLM coin and take a profit. And now you can see here the look the price changes occur. So the price change in the last 1 month is negative 0.29%. So very low price changes occur is negative. So very soon, after 1 hour, after 25 minutes, after 10 minutes, the price change will become positive. So you are in the profit, friends. So after 2 days profit, you can easily get your profit in the market, friends. So now this time it's time to hold, my friends. That is my personal suggestion. That is my belief that the huge pump of the Steeler XLM are coming soon. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, my friends, what's going on in this time in XLM? We can't say about the future, but now the currently situation is going wrong. But remember, I hope always think positive and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.